Greetings to all. Myself Vaishnavi, Assistant Professor, IT Department from SNS College of Engineering. Now we are going to see about the development of a personalized learning management using the design thinking and a spiral model. Objective to demonstrate the combination of the design thinking principles and the spiral model in developing the personalized learning management system for a university aimed at providing adaptive learning experiences for the students based on the individual process and preferences. Overview. Here we have problem statement. The traditional LMS platform are rigid, focusing on the one size fits all approaches, which is often fails to address the diverse learning needs. Next point. The goal is to create an LMS that adapts to each student's pace, learning style, and progress using the iterative development cycles guided by the user feedback. Solution approaches. Design thinking to empathize with the users and define the problem, and the spiral model to iteratively build the prototypes and refine the statement. And then phases of the case study. Phase 1 will be the design thinking framework. Here we have empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and then testing. Next one, spiral model integration. Here we have four iterations. First iteration, it builds the basic LMS functionalities. In second iteration, it introduce the personalized content recommendation. In third iteration, implement the gamification and analytics. And then final iteration will be the deployment and the scalability. And then result. Here the result will be the student engagement, professor efficiency, and the feedback loop. And then conclusion. By combining the design thinking with the spiral model, the development team effectively center the project around the user need that iteratively define the LMS to meet the stakeholders' expectations and then deliver the scalable and user-friendly and adaptive solutions. Thank you.
Everyone. Today we are going to see about a case study video on development of a personalized learning management system. Objective: to develop a design thinking and spiral model using the personalized management system. Overview: traditional LMS are rigid, focuses on one size fits all approach, which are often fail to address diverse learning needs. The goal is to create an LMS to adapt the student each phase learning needs and the prototype which are according to their progress and preference. Solution approach: design thinking guided by the users, spiral model to refine the prototypes.
Design thinking framework, empathize. Survey and interview reveal a pain points like lack of customization and engagement. Student, professor, administration share their frustration with the existing LMS platform. Student need personalized course recommendation. Administration wants the simple management system. Ideate. Proposed solution includes AI-based recommendation, gamified learning, and analytical platforms. Create a simple design using showing features like personalized course tracking and feedback. Test. Tested with early design with user and completed feedback to improvement.
We are going to see spiral integration model. In first iteration we have 5 steps: objective, analysis, risk analysis, prototype, and evaluation. Objective: create a basic LMS function. Planning is based on adaptability, static course enrollment, and course selection. Risk analysis. Risk analysis is based on adaptability, user feedback. Prototyping is based on a professional dashboard created by the users. And the test is based on the collected feedback and conducted tests. Second iteration also we have 5 steps: objective, prototyping, risk analysis, evaluation, and test. Objective: build a basic AI integrated application. Planning is based on static course enrollment and course selection. Risk analysis: risk is fully based on adaptability. Prototype: AI based integrate different paths. Tested for larger students and collected feedback.
I'm going to explain about third iteration. We are doing the case study on a gamified learning. So we want to improve the learning of students. So we can give a leaderboard like the one who finishes the test first can get more marks, and we can give a star or we can give some other gifts. This will improve their learning quickly the hot things. So this was the spiral model included here. Planning. What is planning means we need to organize the gamified learning. If it is a normal learning means we can simply take the lessons and we can go. So we should make the students to learn easier. So we are including gamified. The everything should be planned and it should be executed perfectly.
Iteration, objective, development and scalability, planning to ensure that the system handles large scale adoption, risks, assess the risks like crashes and data privacy issue, prototype to develop and optimize the LMS deployment, evaluation to monitor the performance and bugs.
Result student engagement. It increased 40% of due to personal learning and gamified content. Professor efficiency. It reduced 30% of time to taking lessons. Feedback looping. Keeping regular tests in bunch of iteration.
Conclusion, by combining design thinking and spiral model, the development team effectively centered project for user needs, refined the LMS build to stakeholders' expectations, delivered by scalable, user-friendly and adaptive solutions. Highlights the importance of user-centric methodologies. Thank you.